Welcome to our countdown of essential emotion words. Get ready to unlock richer ways to express feelings and connect deeper. Today's words are grouped into beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels so you can go from simple feelings like happy and surprised to stronger reactions like frustrated and grateful, and subtle states like overwhelmed and euphoric. The lesson includes intensity scales, situation matching, sample sentences to practice saying, and a quick quiz at the end to check your progress. First word is happy. Happy. This word is an adjective and means feeling good or pleased. We will show 2 sample sentences, so you can practice saying them aloud and feel the rhythm of the word.
She was very happy with her exam results.
I feel happy when I spend time with my family.
The next word is excited. Excited. It's an adjective meaning eager and full of energy about something. Synonyms include thrilled or eager. Fun fact: excitement often speeds up your heartbeat.
I'm excited to start my new job next week.
The kids were excited for the amusement park trip.
Next is worried. Worried. This adjective means feeling uneasy about something that might happen. A quick tip: worried often comes from uncertainty about outcomes.
He was worried about his friend's long delay.
She felt worried after hearing the thunder during the night.
Now the word is surprised. Surprised. It's an adjective meaning amazed or shocked by something unexpected. Fun fact: surprise can be pleasant or unpleasant depending on context.
She was truly surprised when her friends threw her a party.
I was surprised to see him at the cafe.
Next word: confused. Confused. This adjective means not understanding or unsure what to do. Tip: ask questions when you feel confused to clear things up quickly.
He looked confused by the new instructions.
The students were confused after the unexpected change in the schedule.
The word is proud. Proud. It's an adjective that means feeling pleased about an achievement. Fun fact: pride can motivate us, but too much pride can make us less open to feedback.
Her parents were proud of her graduation speech.
He felt proud after finishing the marathon.
Next word is nervous. Nervous. This adjective means feeling anxious or uneasy. Quick tip: slow breathing can help calm nervousness before big events.
She felt nervous before her job interview.
The puppy was nervous around the loud fireworks.
Now an intermediate word, frustrated. Frustrated. It's an adjective meaning annoyed because you can't achieve or change something. Synonyms include irritated and exasperated.
He was frustrated when the printer jammed again.
I felt frustrated after spending hours on a task that failed.
Next is embarrassed. Embarrassed. This adjective means feeling awkward or ashamed about something you did. Fun fact: blushing is a natural physical sign of embarrassment.
She felt embarrassed when she spilled coffee on her shirt.
He was embarrassed after mispronouncing the guest's name.
Here is grateful. Grateful. This adjective means feeling thankful for something. Quick tip: saying thank you directly strengthens grateful feelings.
I am very grateful for your help with the project.
They felt grateful for the neighbors who shoveled their driveway.
Next word, disappointed. Disappointed. It's an adjective meaning sad because something did not meet expectations. Synonyms include let down and displeased.
She was disappointed when the concert was canceled.
I felt disappointed by the movie's ending.
The word is confident. Confident. This adjective means feeling sure of yourself or your abilities. Fun tip: practicing before an event boosts confidence.
After weeks of rehearsal, she felt confident on stage.
He's confident he can solve the problem.
Next is anxious. Anxious. It's an adjective meaning uneasy or nervous about the future. Tip: naming the worry can reduce anxiety's power.
He felt anxious, waiting for the medical test results.
The students were anxious before the big exam.
Now an advanced word, overwhelmed. Overwhelmed. This adjective means feeling you cannot cope because something is too much. Fun fact: both positive and negative events can cause overwhelm.
She felt overwhelmed by the amount of work on her plate.
I was overwhelmed with gratitude at the community support.
Next advanced word, content. Content. This adjective means satisfied and at ease. Fun tip: contentment often comes from appreciating small daily moments.
She felt content after a simple walk by the lake.
After dinner, he was content to read his book.
Here is devastated. Devastated. This adjective means extremely sad or shocked after a loss. Use respectfully. It signals deep emotional pain.
They were devastated by the news of the fire at their home.
She felt devastated when her pet passed away.
Next advanced word. Ecstatic. Ecstatic. This adjective means extremely happy and excited. Fun fact: ecstatic reactions often include loud cheering and energetic movement.
She was ecstatic when she got accepted to her dream university.
We were ecstatic after winning the championship.
Next is euphoric. Euphoric. This adjective means intensely happy or elated. Fun fact: euphoria can be triggered by achievement, music, or social connection.
She felt euphoric after finishing the creative project she loved.
The crowd was euphoric at the concert finale.
The word is distraught. Distraught. This adjective means deeply upset and agitated. Use it when feelings are intense and overwhelming.
She was distraught after hearing about the accident.
He became distraught when he lost the important documents.
Now, let's test your understanding of the words. Choose the correct answer that should go in the blank. In this example, the correct answer is C, sun. Okay, let's get started. He looked blank after hearing the good news. The children were blank, waiting for the magician to start the show. She's blank about the interview because it's important for her career. He seemed blank after reading the confusing instructions. She was blank when her surprise party lights flipped on and everyone shouted surprise. After the interview, he felt blank because the company refused to give clear feedback. She felt blank when she realized she had sent a text to the wrong person. They were very blank for the help from volunteers after the event. He felt blank when the product did not meet his expectations. After weeks of practice, she was blank giving the presentation. Waiting for the medical test, results made him feel blank. She was completely blank by the flood of messages and didn't know where to start. After a quiet afternoon, she felt quietly blank and satisfied. He was blank when he heard the office had been destroyed in the storm. They were blank after the team won the final match and celebrated all night. The fans were blank at the concert finale, dancing and shouting with joy. He became blank when he could not find his passport right before the flight.
That concludes our emotion vocabulary countdown. Practice the sample sentences, try the quiz, and add these words to your diary and conversations. Subscribe for more 5-star lessons, and thanks for watching.